Good morning, Philippines! Good morning, Taguig! Good morning, Mama and Ate Beng! Hi, I'm back here in our house and we're having breakfast. Pansit na luto ni Ate Beng, pansit bihon, scrambled egg na gawa ni Mama, and of course, ang Filipino bread na pandesal. Kain tayo! It's my first day here in Philippines! So gagala muna kami. We're going to the Dapitan Arcade to buy last minute Christmas decorations. Kasi it's been 5 years that I was not able to celebrate Christmas with my family, and I want to have a nice Christmas tree. Because the Christmas tree we have is very small. That was my Christmas tree before pa sa Dubai. So yon, si Mama, si Ate Beng, si Kabong is our driver there.
Hello.
And then si CJ, ang baby ko. Tumingin ka.
Ayaw niya.
She's so maarte because she's dalaga. Hey guys, change of plan. We're not going to Dapitan since we found out that the car is number coding today. So, delikado. We're gonna buy flowers because we will go to Pepsi.
Ito na lang bilhin natin.
So, we're here at the Heritage Park since we cannot go further because of the number coding ng car. So, we'll just visit the grave of Pepsi. Kaya lang, no, hindi siya nag-grass cut.
Huwag nang lagyan yung kandila dito. Dito na sa tabi. Ayan, oh. Dali lang ito, basta may ano, may ganun. Hindi siya nag...
Since we're not prepared, wala kaming dalang pangkat. We just bought the flowers. Ang daming marks ng ano, ng...
Ito nga, pinalinis ito eh, kaya nagiging...
So we're back home. We're having lunch now. Dinakdakang tofu. Because puro babaeng nagluto na nagdadakdakan. While cooking. What? And then, pancit bicol. Of course, rice. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang rice.
Patikim ng dinakdakan ng mga babae.